Hey, Sean.
Hey Dan, how are you, mate?
Yeah, good, mate.
Cute looking girl you got there, mate.
Yeah, daughter's birthday today, mate. I can't wait to get home and see her, eh? So let's get on to this fault.
Righto, let's get into it. Hey Dan, that's the same problem we had last week.
Oh, okay, well, I can contact the supervisor, see if we can disconnect the sensor, and that way you can keep using it.
Nah, mate, we can't do that. That's an A item. You can't operate the truck with a fire press not working.
Cardinal rule number 7, never tamper with, remove or bypass any safety device.
Yeah, you're right, mate. I'll check it out for you again.
Remember, safety has purpose.